In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find audio settings in Microsoft Teams. Navigating your audio settings is crucial for ensuring clear communication during calls and meetings, whether you're using a headset, your laptop's built-in microphone, or external speakers. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily adjust your devices and optimize your sound quality. Let's get started and make sure your audio experience in Teams is always perfect. To begin, you'll need to locate the More Options icon within your Microsoft Teams application. This icon typically appears as three small dots, either horizontally or vertically arranged, usually situated in the upper right-hand corner of your Teams window. Think of it as your gateway to a broader range of application settings and features. It's often next to your profile picture or initials. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various choices, allowing you to customize your Teams experience beyond just the main chat and call functions. This initial click is the fundamental first step to access all the deeper configurations. Once you've clicked on the three dotted line icon, a comprehensive drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll need to select Settings. This choice is usually found somewhere in the middle or towards the bottom of the menu, so scroll down if you don't see it immediately. The Settings option acts as the central hub for customizing many aspects of your Microsoft Teams client, including general appearance, notifications, privacy, and of course, your device configurations. Clicking Settings will open a new dedicated window or a pane within your existing Teams interface, presenting you with a clear, categorized view of all available adjustments. After opening the Settings window, you'll see a navigation pane, typically on the left side, listing various categories. For audio adjustments, you'll want to click on the Devices option. This specific section is dedicated to managing all the hardware connected to your computer that Teams might utilize for communication. Here, you'll find settings related to your camera, speakers, and microphones. It's where Teams recognizes and allows you to configure your peripherals. By selecting Devices, you're telling Teams that you intend to make changes to how your hardware interacts with the application, ensuring that your preferred audio input and output devices are correctly identified and selected. Finally, within the Devices section, you'll find the dedicated Audio Settings area. This is where you can truly fine-tune your sound experience. You'll see drop-down menus for selecting your preferred speaker and microphone. It's essential to ensure the correct devices are chosen, especially if you have multiple options connected, like a headset and a webcam with a built-in mic. Teams also provides useful tools here, such as a Make a Test Call feature, which lets you record a short message and play it back to check your microphone and speaker quality before joining an actual meeting. Furthermore, you can adjust your noise suppression levels, from automatic to high, low, or off, depending on your environment. There's also an option to set a secondary ringer for incoming calls, so you don't miss them if your primary output is a headset. Take your time to explore these options, test your setup, and make any necessary adjustments to optimize your audio for the best possible communication experience in Microsoft Teams. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily access and customize your audio settings in Microsoft Teams. Taking a few moments to set these up correctly will make a significant difference in your call and meeting quality. Don't forget to test your settings regularly, especially if you switch between different audio devices. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you have crystal clear conversations every time.